Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zerodha TradingView. First, log into your Zerodha Kite account. Once logged in, navigate to your market watch. From there, select any stock or index you wish to analyze. You will then see a chart icon, click on it, and choose the TradingView option to launch the advanced charting interface. This is your gateway to powerful analysis tools, ready for your trading decisions. It's a straightforward process to get started with your technical analysis. Once you are in the TradingView interface, you will find a wealth of charting tools. You can select different chart types, like the popular Japanese candlesticks, to visualize price action. Easily apply technical indicators such as moving averages or relative strength index to gain insights. Utilize drawing tools to mark trend lines, support, and resistance levels. You can also adjust timeframes from 1 minute to 1 month to suit your analysis needs, offering great flexibility. TradingView on Zerodha allows you to place orders directly from the chart, making execution seamless. Simply click the buy or sell button and an order window will appear. You can set your stop loss and target prices with precision, helping manage your risk effectively. It is also easy to modify or cancel any pending orders if market conditions change. Furthermore, you can monitor all your open positions and executed trades right within the platform, providing a comprehensive view. Zerodha TradingView offers extensive customization options to enhance your trading experience. You can save your favorite chart layouts and templates, ensuring quick access to your preferred analysis setup. Create custom watch lists to keep track of specific stocks or indices that interest you. For deeper analysis, utilize multiple chart layouts to compare different assets side by side. Additionally, explore advanced studies and set up price alerts to stay informed about market movements, empowering your trading decisions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.